Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, so I'm still filming. I know it's like the same pajama because I'm filming it at the same time as the last video, so let's just continue.
And this is not part of it because I already have this. I have that video about it.
So next is this two squishies. Here is the creamy candy hugging ice cream. Hugging the ice cream. So I got the strawberry one. There's 3 designs: the strawberry, the original, and the rainbow. And it's not sticky anymore. So the packaging is not sticky anymore, so yeah. So I'll just show you the packaging. So yeah, that's the packaging. It's been a long time since I filmed, so here's the clear tag. Creamy candy. It's bendable. With the red ball chain and this again. And again, why do we need to stick this at the phone? It's so huge. So this one obviously smells like strawberry. And another sharp spot here where you need to put this. So here is the licensing. Here's the squishy. It got some defects because like the last video, it's been a long time since I filmed, and this squishies that I'm gonna show you in this like three videos have been sitting for like at my drawer for like 3 months, for a few months. I don't know how many months, so yeah, don't judge me. So here is the squishy, here's the ice cream part, and here's the Yummibear. Smells so good. The electric fan is the smell is disappearing because of the electric fan. Thank you so much. So that's the first squishy. And this packaging, it's designed by Pepper Chacha. I don't have a squishy from Pepper Chacha yet, so I might buy one, but it's very hard to find one. So the second squishy, last but not the least, I'm gonna show you is this Yumeno Sleepy Koala. I really like this squishy. This is very cute, like, and this is from 2016. I believe this is very hard to find. So here's the squishy. It doesn't smell like anything at all. Here's like the wooden part, and this the leaf. And there's a lot of defects because I'm squishing it a lot. See? But it is very soft and slow rising. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm new with this new camera. Oh, I almost fell. I'm new with this new camera. This is not my phone. This is an actual camera. So this squishy, it's so cute. Like, here's the packaging, and again the packaging is not sticky anymore. I might buy a double-sided tape. Here's very cute. So the squishy is so soft. I love it so much. And if you guys say that I look tired, I am a little bit tired because I go to Manila and I live in Pampanga, so I just went back home. So yeah, this is all for this video, and the next video is the third video. So actually the next squishy in the next video that I'm gonna show you, I just got it today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos. I mean, you don't need to subscribe if you don't want, so but if you want to be notified, see new videos, just subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And yeah, okay. Goodbye guys. How do I turn off this thing? Every time I forget.